Can I borrow mommy's phone?
It's Miss Mommy phone.
Yes po, I'll borrow.
Mommy phone.
Yeah, borrow. We took pictures of the mango. I'll borrow. Tita borrow, okay? What are you going to do?
It's Mommy phone.
Okay.
Hey, Tita, it's
We're going to
Mommy
put...
now.
Wow. Where are you going to put it? Ito kay Peanut. Tignan mo niya yung cellphone. Mommy's phone. Ano mo, susuli niya. Isusuli niya. Sabi niya, phone niya ni Mommy. Mommy's phone. I'll borrow. I'll borrow.
It's
Borrow.
Mommy. It's Mommy phone.
I will borrow.
It's Mommy phone.
Can I borrow?
It's Mommy
Where's
phone.
Mommy? Oh no, she's inside the bathroom.
Can I borrow? It's Mommy phone. It's Mommy phone.
Sabi niya, Ma, that's mine. That's my phone.
Mommy.
That's my phone. That's not your mommy's phone. Look, that's my phone. Ay, talaga ibigay.
It's Mommy.
Borrow. Can I borrow?
Mommy.
Borrow. Can I borrow?
It's Mommy.
Inside the bathroom. She's taking a bath. Let's go.
Mommy's phone. It's Mommy.
I'll just borrow it.